Hello guys and girls, and I'm back. It's your boy Big John, and today I'm going to hit you up with something epic. Yeah, that's right. What we're going to be doing is talking about the Neo Indicator project. Now, for a long period of time, you've seen in the Neo pip counts area in my Discord, I've been giving out a lot of swing trades for all the people that have been in, VIP services I've had, or, like the lifetime VIP service I have at the moment. And this helps you to find massive swing trades in the market. If you've been following me, you see on my YouTube channel, I talk about this all the time. This is a day trading strategy / swing trading strategy, and what people are going to be getting from me going forward is a Neo trading indicator. We're going to be speaking about a lot of that in this video, and I suggest you do not skip any moments of it. The pips that come out from these types of setups are absolutely amazing, and again, there's going to be a fantastic opportunity for people to become investors into this project. So with all that being said, let's get straight into it, guys and girls. Okay, so right now you can see I am on the Morpheus trend dashboard. Now in the one-time fee VIP group, it's something like this. It looks a little bit different. I've just managed to give people some identification of which trends the market's in on a day-to-day, week-to-week, or month-to-month basis. So it helps people in order for them to be able to find out, are we looking for sells on this pair? Are we looking for buys? But with the Neo indicator, what's going to happen is this will actually be on your MT4 screen. So you're going to be able to see this in real time. What this is actually going to help you with is, again, being able to see the trend in the market. It's going to also show you the age of how long that trend actually is in the market. It's going to show you the ADR on each pair. That's the average daily range. So you're aware of how much a pair might be able to move, whether it's going to buy or sell in one day. And then it's also going to give you a stop hunt 1 and a stop hunt 2. This is going to help you to figure out when the market is pushing towards some type of area, maybe a liquidity zone, imbalance FVGs, all of these types of things. So when 1 is initiated, then you know you're getting very close to that area. By the time you have stop hunt 2, then you know that this trade is pretty much ready to go. So the 2 trades I actually gave out live, these are all complete trades that I've given out to people and they've managed to make money off them in this week, is Euro AUD and NZDCHF. This was a signal trade, NZDCHF, and Neo is actually a swing trade that might go a bit further. So this is a day trade and this is a swing trade. I'm going to head over to MT4 now, and I'm going to show you what it's going to look like on your chart once the indicator is made. Of course, this is just the first phase of the project. Is going to get better and better, but it's just to give you a little idea of what you will be investing into or in future possibly using as a product for a monthly service. Okay, so right over here you can see I am on my MT4, and right now this is as beautiful as you're going to get it. Nice and clean, not too much going on in the chart, and that's exactly what I was aiming for when it comes to the idea of this indicator. The Morpheus trend dashboard will be on your screen over here on the left, and you will be able to minimize that screen as well so it doesn't get into your way. And there you're going to be able to see all of your confluences needed before you take a trade. So the trend, the age, you're going to also be able to see the stop hunt 1, the stop hunt 2, and you're going to have your ADR. So it will all be in line, whether it be bullish or bearish. And let me be clear, this doesn't mean that the indicator only works on the 4-hour time frame. I'm just on this time frame so you can see the chart. You can see straight away we have a nice big bearish order block. So basically like a zone that's been created for us, and it's telling us that price action long term could be selling, so we will be looking for sells. We've also got a supply area that's over here, as you can see, this gray box, and then we've also got a liquidity zone. So once we've had all the confluences on the dashboard telling us to look for a sell, then all we had to do is wait for price action to get towards the supply area and go towards the liquidity zone, and we would have been looking for a trade setup. So let me head over to the 15-minute time frame and then just give you an idea of what that actually looks like. So here is how I enter my trades. I usually enter any of my big swing trades, day trades, on a 15-minute time frame. Even if I'm scalping, that's what I do. And you can see price action got towards that liquidity zone, and then we had a break of structure. So yes, this is what the Trinity alerts will look like for you on the chart, which is a lot better. People have been getting alerts and they've been coming through as a Telegram notification, but then they would have to go and draw them on their chart. I'm trying to get rid of that so that when you do have the Neo indicator, you will be able to see it on your chart, and it will print on your chart for you, so you'll be able to see it straight away. And right now we had our break of structure here, and what will actually happen to help you be able to see your take profit levels is you'll have an ADR 1 and an ADR 2. There may also in future be other ADR levels for big swing trades, but for now it will go up to at least the ADR 2. And what traders would do is enter here in the market. Their stop loss would just be above this level here. If you're a scalper, you can just take a little amount of pips up to here. If you're a day trader, you can take your pips up to ADR 1, and if you're a swing trader, you can take it up to ADR 2 or more. And that's how you're going to be able to scalp with this, day trade with this, or swing trade with this. So So that does cover that aspect, because I know a lot of people will be asking, can you scalp with this indicator as well? And yes, you can. It's really that simple. You wait for your Confluence dashboard to appear. Once your Confluence dashboard appears with your trade set up and price action gets to your supply/liquidity area, you just enter on a 15-minute break of structure and you take your scalp trade, your day trade, or your swing trade. Completely up to you as the type of trader you are. Now let's head over to another trade, which was Euro AUD. This was another trade that I gave out as a signal trade, and I'm going to show you how it would look on the chart for MT4 once the indicator is released. So again, we can see our massive sell zone has appeared here in the market. We have a supply area here and we have a liquidity zone there. Now let's go back down to the 15-minute time frame just so we can see how it looks like. When we're on the 15-minute time frame, straight away you can see here price action's got into our liquidity area, and again you've seen a break of structure. Now this one was a bit better because we can see a pullback into that break of structure area. So this is what you would call like a break of structure retest, and if you did miss the original entry, you would have been able to set a pending order here, so it might activate from this area. Again, your stop loss could have just been above these highs with a little bit of pips to go, so maybe 5 to 10 pips higher, and then you would have been able to catch this trade going down here. So this is exactly what we did catch in the market, and a lot of my traders made profit off of that. I will show you the Telegram group after all of this. And now you can see here again, if you entered from here, you would have been able to catch a scalp trade from here. You would have been able to catch a day trade that would have been able to take you all the way down here. And for the swing trade crew, we would still be holding this trade into the next week, so that's the week coming, and we'll be looking for a trade coming all the way down here or further. So this is a possible neo trade that can do 2 times ADR or more. Now I have covered all of those aspects of the indicator, and again, remember, this is the basic indicator. This is the first phase. You will have a dashboard on the left telling you the trend of all the pairs you want to see, and then you'll have a Confluence tab, and then all you have to do is wait for the trade to get into its key area. You get a 15-minute break of structure. Once it's done all of those confluences, key area, liquidity zone, and then you take your trade. Simple as that. Now the great thing I'm going to be teaching you about this indicator is what we have over here called the auto trading. Now this is the expert advisor. So a lot of us are very busy doing things in our day-to-day lives, whether you've got work or other commitments like family things and stuff like that, and this is why it's on MT4. With this, I can make something called an expert advisor, which is an algorithm that will trade for you. So this trade manager, once you switch this on, you'll see a little smiley face over here in the corner, the name of the indicator or expert advisor, and then what will actually happen is that when price action does get into this area, it will automatically take the trade for you, and you can set up your own risk parameters. So you can make sure that your stop loss is above here or further. You can change it to pips, you know, ADR value, percentages, all these different types of stuff. And it will also make sure that you can take your take profit towards an ADR 1 from entry or an ADR 2 from entry. So this will also sort out any risk parameters for you and also your take profit level. Now you will not be able to switch the bot on automatically from phase 1 in this. You have to wait for the confluences to get into place and then you switch on your bot. So when price action was in this area, it took about 2.5 to 3 hours before we saw the initial break of structure here. Again, if you've got to go to work and things like that, that would be an issue. So what you would be able to do with this indicator is as simple as day is now you would just be able to be in a position where when price action was at this level here, you would have been able to switch on your bot like this, and then as soon as this did actually happen, it would have automatically taken a trade for you, put the stop loss above a certain level wherever you set it to in the settings, and then wherever you set your take profit levels to, which would have been either this one or this one. You can only set it to one place, you can't set it to multiple take profit levels. I just want you to know that it would have basically have gone towards that area and closed the trade if price action heads towards your take profit level and hits that level. Okay, so this is just me being in Telegram right over here and showing you this is the NZDCHF trade, and this is something I gave out in my weekly Zoom call, and I told traders that look, if price action goes to this area, then we will be looking for a sell continuation back down into the market, and that's what we currently did see. We saw 2 times ADR in a sell going down, and you can see here I put NZDCHF, wait for the M15 Trinity alert, and then look for 1 to 2 times ADR take profit. Exactly what you saw as the break of structure on MT4, that is basically what the Trinity alert would be for you, and you would have been able to take this trade. And we can see here the Trinity alert did appear right over there. Now you can see over here in the Neo trading group, we also have the Euro AUD trade, and I've shown them, look, here's where your key area is. We're going to be looking for a sell from here. We can see that we're waiting for a sell to happen and 2 times ADR to happen on that trade once it does start selling, and you can see the break of structure alert just appeared over here, and you would have been able to enter price action again, being able to catch the trade. So all of this is going to be a indicator on MT4/expert advisor. It's going to help you out out so much in order for you to be able to see these trade setups at your own leisure. And what I'm actually doing is giving people the chance to become investors into this project, as it's going to be a big project. And if you do want to be an investor, it's just 100 GBP from the start. Again, if you do make that payment, you're going to get lifetime access to this and all of my signal groups and the VIP access groups as well. So that's going to help you out a lot when it comes to understanding how to better use the indicator, and also being able to take the trades that I'm taking with signals as well. That offer is only going to be there until the indicator is made. Once the indicator is made, it's going to be a subscription-based monthly fee. So you want to make sure that you get in now as a lifetime user, so you will not have to pay that subscription, and you will have access to all of the updates with this indicator as well. With all of that being said, guys and girls, if you do have any information you want to know about this, you can hit me up in Discord or Telegram. That's also where you'll be able to make payments. You just speak to me in one of those two places, and you can contact me about becoming an investor and making a payment. But if not, there will be links below as well where you can make payment, and then you can still hit me up in Discord after you've done that. I hope all of this does help you. I will be releasing more and more videos this week about Forex content, but again, this is my main baby right now. I'm just focusing on this, and I want to make sure this is out there for the public. You can see I don't need to make hundreds of strategy videos, because this is what I trade and it's what makes me money in the Forex markets. So with all that being said, guys and girls, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. It's your boy Big John, and I'm out. Peace.
Started from the bottom like Drake. Got that young moolah, but I learned my mistakes. Climbing up the ladder, gotta watch out for the snakes. If you wanna be the boss, then you have to delegate.